So folks, it's that time of year again. Leaves, 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 and more leaves. And if you're like me, you got too many leaves to have gutters because it's just too much trouble. And I never put them up on this side. I tried them on the back side, never liked it. And I don't think those leaf filter things is worth the effort either. But I still have this little thing up here that I use to keep a sheet of rain from coming down on my steps. So it's a little piece of metal strip that's, you know, tacked down under the shingles. So here's my trick for doing it. Get a piece of gutter drain pipe. Haha, funny. This is left over from years ago where I took it down from the back of the house. And you can tell it's old. I've been using this for 15 to 18 years. But what I did is I take 10 snips and snippety snip the edges and bend it into this, I don't know, it's maybe a 45, like this. And see, this thing's about, I don't know, about 10 feet long. And then I take this section off of my blower and slide it up there. I'll show you what it looks like in a second. So once I get this piece off of here, toss it to the side for a minute, and then this, slide up here, and you might have to squeeze it a little bit because it's kind of a rectangular shape and this is round. I just slide it up there as far as it'll go, and I tilt it so that this is pointing down. And then I fire this bad boy up, and I'll show you in a second how good a job it does. And I can clean that from standing right on the ground, no ladders involved. If you've got gutters, you could probably use the same setup to clean your gutters. I would say it'd probably be best to do it on a really dry day or when you've had several days of dry weather. We're actually kind of sort of in a drought around here right now, so everything's really dry. It's supposed to get some rain in a couple days, hopefully. But anyhow, take a look at this.